Fully furnished corner ba na house and lot ang hanap mo? Great morning! Ako si May Masangkay ng greatland.ph at follow nyo ako for more house tour. Don't skip this video if naghahanap ka ng bahay na complete na at lilipatan mo na lang, corner lot at morning sun pa. Meron itong spacious na lot area na 207 square meter at floor area na 187 square meter. Nasa 8.3 million lang na pwedeng i-cash or ipasok sa bank financing. Meron ito 4 bedrooms at 3 bathrooms, 2 carport at may family area, at balcony sa second floor. Located ito sa Angeles City, near Marquee Mall at NLEX, kaya accessible. Tandaan ang property mas maagang binili mas mura. Comment sa baba kung nagustuhan mo. Nasa description ang details at contact number ko. Salamat po.